Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to E-Library for All. In today's lecture, we are going to be learning about the blocks that are left in the pen extension. So let's open our new Scratch window. Okay, so as we all learned that we have to press this purple button to get our extensions. So we will take the pen extension. So now we have the pen extension. We discussed about 5 blocks in our previous lecture. So these are the 5 blocks we discussed about: erase all, stab, pen down, pen up, and set color to anything. So now we will be discussing about the 4 blocks that are left: change pen color by 10, set pen color to 50, change pen size by 1, and set pen size to 1. These blocks are a little complicated, so you guys need to listen very carefully because these blocks are very important in the pen category. Okay, so first let's discuss about the change pen color by 10 block. So we go to costumes, paint our costumes, do everything minus, equal, plus, everything we can do in the costumes tab with our sprite. But we haven't observed one thing, that when we click this drop down menu, we get 4 options: color, saturation, brightness, and transparency. So when we go to costumes, if we click this drop down menu, we get the same options. See, we get the same options. We get the same options. So now you must be thinking that this block and this fill drop down menu is connected, but that is not true. They are not connected. This block is not for changing the color of our own sprite. It is for changing the color of the pen. Get it? Like, we go to costumes. We want to change the color of the pen, so we change the color to red. Now, when we use the pen color, it doesn't become red. So we think that why is it not becoming red? So we need to use this block to change the color, and we need to use this block as well. So now you must be getting confused that why do we need to use these both blocks? So as you can see, we discussed in the previous lectures that in the looks category, we have these 2 blocks. If you don't remember that I explained these blocks, you can watch lecture 2 and 3. I explained the categories from motions to sensing very well. Okay, so these 2 blocks are connected but not that same. Change size by 10 means it adds the size. Like if I click this block, it will add 10 in size. That means that it added 10. You can see that it literally added 10 over here. Last time the size was 100 and now the size is 110. So if this block sets the size, this block doesn't add, subtract, multiply, it just sets the size to a specific value. This block adds the size. Get it? If I keep doing this and press this, so we can also set the size to 200 using this block. Okay. See, I like this block more because we can set the size to a specific value. I don't like this block because when I need to set my character or sprite to like 200 or 300 size to, so I, if this block wasn't there, I would just have to click this block a lot of times and use the repeat command a lot of times. So this block is more better, but in some programs this block comes handy as well. Get it? This block is also pretty good. Okay. So now we know about these two blocks. These two blocks are connected with those blocks, but the only difference is that they tell size and these blocks tell color. So let me tell you which blocks, these two blocks, okay? So this block is connected with this block and this block is connected with this block. So these blocks add a specific value we write in the white circle. These blocks set the size to a specific value we write in the circles. But if you still don't understand these two blocks, you should watch lecture 2 and 3. I have explained these blocks very well. You can watch those lectures, then you will understand these blocks. The only difference is that they set the pen color, saturation, brightness and transparency. Get it? So now we have learned about these blocks. So now let's learn about these blocks. These blocks are very easy. So you must have learned when you go to school about thick and thin. Yeah, you have learned about thick and thin. So if you go to costumes, you can see if I press this option, you can see that this is the thickness area. So when we press the up arrow, it increases the thickness. When we press the down arrow, it decreases the thickness, which means it adds thickness to this line. When we press the down arrow, it adds thickness to the line when we press the up arrow. Get it? So now if I press the up arrow, okay, so now let me make the line. You can see how big the line is. These are like giant black tapes, yeah? So now if I decrease the thickness, you can see how thinner the line is. Just look at the difference. This line and this tiny line. Yeah. So you can see the difference between all these lines. So this is same. So if I keep pressing this block is same as these blocks. This block changes the size by 1 or the value we write in this white circle. And this block sets the value to the value we write in this circle. So like if I keep pressing this, like go to pen down, 10 steps, you can see how thick this line is. So now if I set the pen size to 200, like it's a giant dot. You can create a very beautiful backdrop using this. Yeah, a dotty backdrop, and you can also create an egg. You just need to use the correct amount of, what do you say, the correct amount of size and setting value. So now we know about all the blocks in the pen extension. So it's finally time we make a shape. So the first step is let's erase all. So we have erased all. So we need to put our cat sprite over here. So I want my shape to be green. So we are making a, what do you say? Square. Yeah, we're making a square. So let's set the color to green. Yeah, green. So the color is 35. Okay. Set color. Oh, wait. Set pen color to 35 and set the saturation 62. Oh, 35. Set the saturation to 62. Saturation will be 62. And finally, the brightness will be 100. Okay, let's set it. So now we need to add a green block. When click green flag, yeah. So now we need to go to the pen category, erase all, pen down as the usual blocks. And before all that, we need to add the position. Yeah. Okay, pen down. So next we will, okay, so now the pen is down. We will add this. Now we need to count how many times we need to add, move 10 steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Yeah. I think I should first set the pen size to a normal amount. Like, I should set it to 30. Yeah. 30 is a like good amount. Where did, oh yeah. 30 is a good amount. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, okay. We need to put our cat sprite at the beginning to count the full count of blocks. Yes, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Yeah, 30. I think 36 is a good amount. What? Yeah, it is all. What the heck? Working pen up. Raise all and oh my goodness, why isn't it erasing all? Oh my. Like literally pen up, up, the pen's up. No need to make more lines. Just erase this. Our cat is pretty over here. It was 38, right? Yeah, it was 38. Put our cat is pretty here. Change this block with this block. And time to do some repeat blocks. Okay, so a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. So we will repeat this 4 times Yes, this will be 38. Need to duplicate this block. 1, okay, 2. Now this will be 4. Yay. Yeah. So over here we will add, where did that block go? Control, stop all. Okay, this is the end block. So let's test our program. Okay, one big mistake, that we need to increase this by 50, and we need to change this block with the change y by 10 block, because when we need to move up, we don't use the x value, we use the y value, as I told the definition in the previous lectures. Yeah, that y value is the vertical value and the x value is the horizontal value. Okay, so change y by 10 over here, up, yeah, here. Now then we need to go down, so we will duplicate this block and change this to negative 10. Yeah, then we will change this to negative 10 as well, because now we are going in the left direction, not in the right direction. When we move up, we are going in the left direction, then we will move down. Right now we are going in the right direction and moving up, so no negative. Okay, change y by negative 10. Okay, you're only coming 2 times, so yeah, okay, move negative 10 steps. And wait, how did this block come here again? What the? Okay, so now we have our program set, so let's start. What was that? Okay, so now let's do a little bit more. This is for forward. Oh, okay. I may or may not have done a little small mistake. Okay, so this block, the sprite goes here. Okay, so then the sprite moves up, then the sprite moves negative 10. Yeah, I think now the program will work. Okay. So the program is working very properly, but you can see that it is going a little bit too up. So for the moving up part, let's change it to 38 to 35. Yeah. Okay, so now let's start. So you can see our small little artist cat sprite has made this magnificent square. So I hope you had fun in this video. If you want to save this square program, you can save it. But for me, this is a rough program, so I will delete it. So I hope you had fun in this lecture. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.